Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now on this video we're going to be solving or finding the gradient of the function using the first principle, or finding the derivative using the first principle. And the function we're given is f of x equals to minus 3x squared. So first thing, write down the first principle, which is f prime of f equals to the limit my h tends to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. The first thing you have to do. Second thing is to find your f of x plus h. Find your f of x plus h according to what you're given, according to the function that you're given. So f of x plus h equals to, you look at the function, it's minus 3. Wherever you find x, you substitute with x plus h. Minus 3 x plus h all squared. Then you solve, you say minus 3, you open bracket, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. You find the answer being, you multiply throughout by minus 3, you say minus 3 x squared minus 6xh minus 3h squared. So now that you found your f of x plus h, this is your f of x plus h. Now you're left with f of x, and you know that f of x is what? It's minus 3x squared. So you can, so this is your f of x plus h, and this is your f of x. Then you're gonna substitute this here, and you're gonna substitute this right here. Then you solve. So you have f of f prime of x equals to the limit as h tends to 0 or approaches 0. You have minus 3 x squared minus 6 xh minus 3 h squared. This is f of x. Then you have minus f of x, which is, this is f of x plus h, this one. This is f of x plus h. Then you say minus f of x, which is minus 3x squared. You put in brackets, then you say all over h. Then you say f of x equals to f of prime of x equals to the limit as h approaches 0 of minus 3, you rewrite everything, 6xh minus 3h squared plus 3x squared all over h. Now what happens now is that minus 3x squared and 3x squared cancel each other. Minus 3x squared and 3x squared, they actually cancel each other, because minus 3x squared plus 3x squared is 0. So next step, you say f prime of x, the limit as h approaches 0, you're left with minus 6xh minus 3h squared all over 0. Then you have f prime of x equals to the limit as h approaches 0 of, you take h as a common factor, h into minus 6x minus 6x minus 3h all over h. Then you have f prime of x equals to the limit as h approaches 0, then this h will cancel that h, then you have 6x minus 3h. Now you have to substitute 0 here. You have to substitute h equals 0. When you do that, remember, you have to drop the limit. When you're substituting your h 0, you drop the limit. So you have your f prime x equals to minus 6x, and this is your final answer.